ready to unlock a world of customers and watch your international sales skyrocket. If you're selling online, you know that customers prefer to see prices in their currency. That's where Shopify's powerful multi-currency payments feature comes in, transforming your store into a global marketplace today. We're breaking down exactly how to implement this game changer and make the most of it. First things first, let's dive into your Shopify admin. Navigate to your settings, and then click on Payments. You'll find the multi-currency options right here. To activate this feature, you'll typically need to be using Shopify Payments. If you are, you should see an option to enable multi-currency. Click to turn it on. Now, the magic happens. Shopify automatically detects your customer's location and displays prices in their local currency. This means no more confusion or calculation for your international shoppers. This seamless experience significantly reduces cart abandonment. When customers see familiar pricing, they're far more likely to complete their purchase, boosting your conversion rates. While Shopify handles much of the heavy lifting, you can also manage which currencies you want to support within your payments settings. You can often select from a list of available currencies. Equally important is giving your customers control. Make sure your theme displays a clear currency selector. This allows shoppers to switch between currencies if they wish, providing an even more personalized shopping experience. By offering multi-currency payments, you're not just selling products. You're building trust and convenience for a global audience. This directly translates into increased international sales and a stronger brand presence worldwide. So, go ahead, embrace the world with Shopify multi-currency payments and start connecting with customers everywhere.